with Real Property Management Phoenix Valley. And today I'm on location in Northeast Phoenix at one of the multifamily properties that we manage. So there's about 27 units of this community. And what the original builder did is they did every other building different. And so a lot of the buildings have this really dark body base paint. And unfortunately, it doesn't wear well with the elements. Typically, the lighter colors are going to wear well. So you can see on this particular building, for example, you got a dark body and then a dark accent and a dark trim. And also doing every other building different really doesn't lend to continuity with the units, so it makes it look very segmented. So what we're actually going to do with our facelift, as I call it, is we are lightening up the buildings. So we went with this really pretty, it is like a white base with a bit of gray in it. So it's technically a light gray, and it's going to hold up really well with all the elements. Then we did a darker gray on the accent and the trim as well. So that's just a really pretty combination here. And then for our focal point, or our accent point, we did the doors in this really pretty wine color. So overall, the facelift of this property is not only going to make it show better, but it's going to increase value as well in terms of rental ranges, because it's going to look like a newer, updated project. So thank you so much for joining, and we'll see you next month.